age, address, and salary. Okay. So yesterday we discussed some of the functions of aggregation functions, right? Did you remember? Yesterday we discussed about some of the functions like minimum, number one, and maximum, max, and we want to discuss about average, and the fourth one is sum, and fifth one is count. So here we are assume that we having a 7 records here. Assume that we having a 7 records we have, right? So far we discussed about that some of the operators, and we discussed about that some of the conditional operators also. Like we discussed about the greater than, less than, or equal to, greater than, or equal to, less than. Okay, some of the operators we discussed that. So later you can call them the operators, and then I can call them as the conditional operators. Like we discussed about that and or. Okay, between. So some of the conditional operators also we can do. Okay, now what are this? Why we need having these conditional operators and all these variables? Why we need this and why we need to do it? So in the Dbms we will see that we have in the number of records. Okay, so once we enter the data into the database tables, once we are entering into the data into the database table, so that whatever data we need, we can able to retrieve. Okay, whatever data we need, we can able to retrieve that. Is this it? And so once we enter the data, so that we have such an option for us, we can able to generate your own queries. Okay, so there will be some database table. Maybe database is existing here, but I want to find out. What I want to find out? I want to find out there is a 100 records of database is there. Means I can say that 100 employees are there. How many employees are there? 100 employees are there. Or you can say that 1000 employees are there. Okay, and all about 100 or 1000 or 10,000, all employees database is there inside in your database employee table. Is it clear? So data is there in your employee table. Now I want to find out without having any change, without modifying any of my database. I want to find out that what is the minimum salary of employees. I want to find out who is the minimum salary. I want to find out minimum salary of employees. How can I find out that? Or if I want to find out what was the maximum salary of employees, I want to find out that. How can I find out? So let us find out. Already we seen this queries. We want to do in a practical way. That's the reason I'm going to discuss again. So here I want to use minimum. What is the query purpose? What is the query purpose? So let us shift one query here. So here I can say that minimum here, like select what is minimum, what is that? Salary from table name employee. Right? This is the query we have. Okay? This is the query we have here. Now you please take a look at this in this particular table. So you can check it out here in this particular table. So in this particular table, we have 2000, we have 1500, we have 2000, 6500, 85, 45 and 1000. Now please let me know that what the answer for this. So here the answer is, output is like a 1500. What is that? 1500. Okay. So I am putting the salary of the minimum is 1500. Okay. So like this, using some functions, aggregation functions, we can able to find out. If I want to find out who's the employer having the maximum salary, so I can able to simply replace it with is minimum into maximum. Okay. So far so good. Then I can just change this minimum to max. I can get that result. Okay, but so far so good. But I want to find out. So when the data is there in the database table, data is there in the database table. I want to find out what is the sum of the salaries of employees. Okay, employees 100 మంది ఉన్నారు. ఆ 100 మందికి నేను salary pay చేయాలంటే how much I have to pay? I want to find out some amount. Of this entire. So the data is there in your database. Again, when the verify, how can you calculate that? So simple, you have a simple query here. That is the simply everyone write it on the write it on books also. It is simple select. I can say that some salary, okay, and from EMP table, as simple as this. So that what happens? We are not changing anything. We are not changing anything of your database, or we are not changing any of your database table. What we are doing simply, what are we doing? Data is existing in the database table using some of the queries of the functions like minimum, maximum, or sum, or average. We can able to calculate. Simply using something, some functions, we can able to calculate that as simple as this. Suppose there is some salaries are there, some of them having a 1500, some of them having a 2000, or some of them having a 6500, something like that. If I want to find out what is the average salary of an employee. So then what I can do, I can able to use this average function. Simply, I can able to get that. Okay. So let us see what was the output for this. So here first we want to see that first let's check out this. Here you can check it out this here. So here first I want to make sure that what was the minimum salary of my employees. So can you please note down the query here? Select minimum salary from employees table. Okay, as simple as this. Then you can able to see this is your output for you. Minimum salary, okay, is something like this. Okay. Then whatever the max salary means, it will be depending on that what data is existing in your database. Okay, is that clear? So when the maximum salary. So again, here you can see that select in place of minimum. What we are doing now? Just replacing with max. As simple as this. Just replacing with. If I want to find out minimum, I am going to use the minimum. Select minimum. So, and which attribute we are asking? We are asking for salary. We are asking for salary. That is the reason I am mentioning the maximum salary from what the table is being added? Employees. Am I clear? Now, if I want to find out, so there may be some customer IDs are there. There may be customer IDs are there. Now I want to find out. I don't know that what the customer rates are having. I don't know. But I want to find out that what is the minimum customer rate list. Minimum customer rate. So what we do? Just simply write that select minimum in place of salary. What are you going to write now? It will be ID. Okay? And from your table as simple as this. Now, so here I want to see that there are some salaries of employees are there in database. I have 100 records or 1000 records, whatever. But I want to find out that what was the sum of the salaries of all the employees. Salary equality. So enter sum so if I want to find out how can I do that? So again, you please find out here. Simple query, select sum. What is this? Sum salary. I want to do some salary. So select some salary from employees. So that we'll see that it will be sum of your entire salaries of all the employees. Okay, like this. Suppose if I am talking about the salary of employees. Okay, is it okay? I am talking employees table and I am talking about the salaries. Suppose, if I take it one table for me, I want to consider one table. So here, what I am having, one table I am having a rule number, name, and I am having the backlogs count. Okay. So I am having the one is the rule number and the name and the backlogs. Okay. Now you tell me. I have one table with myself. Rule number 4401. Name 3. I have a backlog 3. So 4426. SP have a 2. And I have 4486. 3 0. Okay. And I want to find out. I want to find out something like this. 4492 SS. Okay. 1. Now, if I want to find out. Now, so earlier we see that some of the employees table, right? Now I want to see one more table like this, like that rule number, name, backlog count. Now, if I want to find out who is the less backlogs, who is the zero backlogs, means who is the zero backlog means minimum, right? So what the query purpose? Table is write down and books write down. What was the query purpose? I want to find out minimum backlogs. Minimum might be one fellow or two fellows or 3 or 4. Don't know that. Minimum can be zero backlogs, can be more than 1 or 2. Okay. So, what is the query purpose? What was the query purpose? So, I can say that student info, okay, table in this, student info, okay. Now, you tell me what was the query purpose? What was the query purpose? And what was the answer for? Okay. So I can write it down here. I can say that select. So I want to see that minimum. I want to say minimum. What I want to see the backlogs, right? Backlogs. And from what was the table name I'm having? So I'm having table name is student name. Okay, so this is the way we can able to find out. Okay, this is the way we can able to find out. If I want to find out what was the who is the maximum backlogs number having, who is the max number, who is the students are having maximum backlogs, then we can use because of minimum we can use max. Okay, and if you want to find out again, we can use the same query in the two different combinations also. If I want to find out minimum number and I want to find out the counters, I want to find out minimum and as well as I want to find out the counters. then I can able to use select, remove, what is that? Backlogs and the count of backlogs you can able to get that. Means how many minimum of backlogs that we will get here and simultaneously we will get the counters. Okay, this is a good thing here. Is that clear? Now, so here in your computer Dbms lab, we see we created some of the database tables here. Okay, what we done? We created some of the database tables, right? And we inserted some of the data. So far we seen that. Okay, so sorry, I have one query with you, all of you. Please let me know that. Write it down query, everyone. So you have name and salary. How many fields you have? One is having a name and you have a salary. Only two things we have. Okay? Please create a table with that, and you can say that table name should be like this: AAD. Okay? Table name like AAD. Please try to create a table for that. How to create a table, and remember that name and you can create one ID also. Okay, how to create ID, name and salary, and ID not null. Okay, and it should not be here, and the name should be text attribute, and it should be salary should be something like integer. Or please try to create a table. Try to create a table. Everyone. Okay, try to create a table. And we have to insert 5 records of data using a insert command. Okay, using a insert command, we have to insert the data also. Okay.